So the analysis this week will be starting from DSY, which is 4 hours time frame. DSY 4-hour time frame. I gave this analysis some weeks ago, which I started from year to year. Okay, let me check on the other side if it was saved on the other side. Can you see? I saved it. It was saved on the other side. This was the analysis I kept on the other side. So what are we expecting now? We're expecting a clone. So from here to here again. Okay, so at the moment, another fall to the downside. And if you look from here, what do we have? We have this significant level. We have this. So I'm expecting price to fall. I'm expecting price to fall to this level. This is what I'm expecting at the moment. Price to fall to this level. So I'm expecting price to go down to this one, which is, this will be our TP. Our TP will be here. Our TP will be here. I hope you can all hear me. So if you have anything, any question, you can make use of the chat. If you have any question, okay, you can make use of the chat if you have any question. So let's continue. So from here next week, this is what I'm expecting from DSY going to the downside. So this is the liquidity. They will clear off this failed to return FTB. This is FTB. They will clear it off. Then it's the Quasimodo level. This is also a Quasimodo level. So I'm expecting price to continue going down. So next is Euro USD. Euro USD. On Euro USD, I still have the perspective of price going to the upside. Price going to the upside, then another fall. This is what I'm expecting on Euro USD next week. On Euro USD. Then if you look at this place, we have a KM level. There's a KM here, a KM level here. So let me bring it up. There's a KM level here. And if you look at this place, we have equals. We have equals here. Yeah, we have equals. So I'm expecting price to fall, at least to clear up the equals, to clear up this equal. So I personally am setting my target at the equal level before we know the next direction for the price movement. This is what I'm expecting on Euro USD for next week. Then we can move to pounds USD. If we look at pounds USD, I gave this analysis during the week. I gave this analysis during the week. Yeah, I gave this analysis during the week. And it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry. I mean, these are 1, 2, 3, okay. 4 and 5 is green. There is the analysis. I've already gave it as a signal. I gave it as a signal in the VIP group. I gave it as a signal already in the VIP group. So, and it has already completed. That is, after the wave 3, we have A, B, C, D, then E. E stop at this level. E stop at this level. This is the level for E. So according to the wave methodology, here we have sorry, let me put it so that we can understand better. Here's the start of the wave. Then we have this. Using our Fibonacci level, this is 0.618, 0.618, and 0.786. So I'm using these two levels. When people were buying on Wednesday, I personally told them I'm not going to buy because I know that price is still coming down to this 6.18. I'm not going to buy. I told them, someone asked me in the group, and I told him that I'm not buying, that I'm going to wait for price to return to this level. And price have already returned to the level now. And this is our 6.18 level. And this is our 0.78 level. Oh, sorry. So next week, what I'm expecting from GBPUSD next week is buy to the upside. Yeah, buy to the upside. And I choose this place as wave end of my wave 5. If you look at daily time frame, can you see this line? And I expect them to break this line. I expect them to break this. I expect them to break this line, and perhaps they might break this also. So my target is at this level, 1.2995. That is my target for next week. I'm only seeing buying setup on GBP USD. There is no other setup other than buy setup on GBPUSD. Only buy setup, which we activate from this level. 618, they are going to touch it next week. On the norms, if you follow with methodology, stop loss should be at the end of with E, then you'll take profit at here. But to minimize our stop loss, we can just place below 0.786, just below 0.786 for clearance, then so that we can have a huge stop loss and a good risk to reward ratio. So only buy setup for GBPUSD. If you look at
I should take it lower.
Oh,
I should take it lower.
What do you say, brother?
On GBPUSD, you should go aim like 20 pips lower.
Yes, yes, yes. So on USD CAD, this is what I'm expecting on USD CAD. They broke the I'm coming. Let me check. I think I have another setup here. Oh, okay. So on USD CAD, after I did some analysis last 2 weeks, I gave the signal in the group. Then, and this was the signal. Sorry. All this to be cleared. This was the signal. I gave it in the group. This was the signal. This was wave A, and we are expecting wave 2 to be here. And that wave 1, this is the leading diagonal. We call it leading diagonal in wave methodology 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this one will be microwave. Let me use red as an internal wave, microwave. Sorry, okay, let me use red, microwave, microwave. Yes, this is microwave of a leading diagonal 1. And what is the axis of leading diagonal? Leading diagonal appear at wave 1 or wave A, either wave 1 or wave A, and ending diagonal occur at wave 5 or wave C. So in this case, we have leading diagonal. And after a leading diagonal, what is going to happen is a correction of wave 2, whereby we have wave A, wave B, and wave C to complete wave 2. And if you use our Fibonacci, to this level, we have our 0.618. This is 0.618. We have it at this level where I place my C, 0.618. We have our our wave A stop at 0.283. That is where wave A stop. There is a correction to the upside, and I said it last week that there will surely be a correction to the upside. I said it, and I dropped the analysis also. So what are we expecting now? We are expecting wave C to the downside. This is what we are expecting, wave C to the downside. So next week, I'm only selling USD CAD. And to make more sense, we can have it like this. Can you see? Channel And here, if you go to 1 hour time frame, if you go to 1 hour time frame for this wave B is a correction wave, and that correction is made up of 3 waves: internal wave A, wave B, and wave C. We use it as a sub-minute. Let me use red. Sub-minute wave, sub-micro wave, internal wave A, wave B, and wave C. So these are wave A now. So what are we expecting now? This is the only thing I'm expecting next week for USD CAD. This is the only thing I'm expecting for USD CAD next week. Sell to the downside to 0.618 of the correction of the diagonal. And we have a solid risk to reward ratio. Might just put it at this edge. Is enough. Is enough. This is what I'm expecting next week on USD CAD. Then if you go to New Zealand dollar, what I'm looking for New Zealand dollar is only buy setup. I'm only looking for buy setup. Buy setup next week. That is what I'm looking for. Only buy setup. That is what I'm looking for next week on New Zealand. Only buy setup. Let me go to I gave this. I said, oh, I don't know why my charts are disappearing. There is no proper save. If you look at daily time frame, let's go from daily so that you can understand it better. If you look at daily, can you see 1 year, complete wave 1? This is wave 1. This is wave 2. We are going for wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Let me change it to minor. Minor and half black. Let me change it to minor. So on this, oh, sorry. We can have this. Then we have this correction. Okay. So in this correction, we know that wave 1 is 5-wave sequence. Then we have wave A, wave B. Oh, sorry. We have wave A, wave B, and wave C. To form correction. If you look at our Fibonacci level, price stopped at this level. Price stopped at between a 0.618 and a 0.786. That is where the price stopped at, between these two levels. So what are we expecting now? We are expecting a start of wave 3, and this is the wave 3. But in wave 3 is the longest wave, and internally we have wave 1, wave 2, 3, 4, 5. We are going to name it we are going to name it minuet. Yeah, we are going to name it a minuet wave. And if you look at this, check our Fibonacci. Our Fibonacci stop, the wave stop at 0.5. The wave stop at 0.5. That is where the correction stopped, 0.5. So what am I expecting next week? I'm expecting a move to the upside for wave 3. This is what I'm expecting. And if you're going to look if Fibonacci extension for this, Fibonacci extension for this, we are having a stop at this level. We are having a stop at this level. So with 3 here, oh, don't let me use this. Let me use this. This is what I'm expecting on New Zealand USD to the upside. This is what I'm expecting. Okay, let me change it to blue. In as much the wave 2 internal wave is red. So this is what I'm expecting next week on New Zealand dollar. This is what I'm expecting next week on New Zealand dollar. Then pounds JPY. I gave analysis on pounds JPY, GBPJPY, GBPJPY. Oh, why my analysis gets deleting? We don't expect this analysis to be deleted from this server. Okay. Let's take it from here. So after the completion, wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5, we ride the wave to the upside in our signal group. We ride it then. After this, we have this, and I sent it last week. I sent it, if I'm right, I sent it last week. Yeah, and this is it. This is it. I gave the forecast, GBPJPY. I gave the forecast last week. I don't know why it deleted on the server. So I gave it last week, and it was trend line. This is our trend line. Then another trend line, another trend line, another trend line. So what do we have? We have wave 1, internal 1, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which acts as a leading diagonal. Yeah, which acts as leading diagonal. And that is wave 1. That is, let's call it wave 1. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Wave 1 or wave A, we are using black. Yeah, wave 1 or wave A, and it will be microwave. It will be microwave. So, and this is wave 2. And our wave 2 will be ABC, A, yeah, A, B, and the C. For wave 2, A, B, and C for wave 2, A, B, and C. That is what we are. This is A, B, and C. So what do I expect now? We have to get the to get wave 3, then we have to use the Fibonacci expansion. Guys, I've already marked the line 190.03 and the touch 190.03 on Friday. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting my first target will be 1. This is my first target, and my second target will be 618. These are the two levels. This place is TP1, then TP2, and it will be with 3. Yes. This place is TP1. So in this place, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 to the downside. Submicro red. Is what I'm expecting on GBPUSD. Stop loss will be here. Then we have it down. This is what I'm expecting on GBPUSD next week. This is what I'm expecting. The leading diagonal, the correction, then another impulse, which is wave 3, which is the longest wave. So let's move to Australian dollar. Yeah, Australian dollar. I gave this signal in the VIP group. Is also wave. Based on wave analysis. Target 1 already hit. So target one already hit, as we have ending diagonal. After this ending diagonal, we have wave 1, we have wave 2, and target 1 already hit. So what do I expect now? There is a drop last week from the economic news. So let's get from here to here. What do we have? We have, it's already on 6.18. So what do I expect next week? I expect price to move to the upside to this level next week. This is what I'm expecting from AUDUSD next week. This is what I'm expecting from AUDUSD next week. So it is still intact and price is still going up. Our buyers haven't changed. at all, because if you look at after wave one, if you look at wave one, let's use Fibonacci expansion. This is wave one. This is correction. If you look very well, what is our 6.18? Our 6.18 end on this at this level. Sorry, our 6.18 end at this level. This is where our 6.18 end. So we are still going back to the upside for this. So this is what I'm expecting next week. Price should go back to the 6.18 to hit our TP2. To hit our TP2. Then what do we have again? Oil. Personally, I was on buy on US oil. Oh God, I don't know why my analysis are deleting from the server. My analysis are deleted from the server. Damn. I gave this analysis myself. And this is it. This is it. Fibonacci to the downside. Fibonacci to the downside. So we have 6.18 at this level. Then we have 0.50 at this level. Then we have it like this of the total correction. And here is W. Yeah, WXY. Then add in the WXY, we have A, B, C, A, B, C. Then this one also, we have A, B, and a C. It surely be A, B, and C also. So, and this was it in the group when I gave it in the group. This, can you see US oil buy, and this was the analysis. Can you see W, X, and the Y, which I said price is going to 82. The price is going to 82. That was the signal I gave on US oil. That is a buy setup. Can you see? Buy setup. Then I bought at this level. This is where I bought. It is 77.90. I bought at 77.90. My first target was 80. Second target was 82. So right now, price is heading to 82. It's already at 81. They've hit 50%. So I'm expecting price to go to retrace a bit next week and go up. And go up next week. This is what I'm expecting. Price should retrace a bit. If you go to 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, yeah. So this is what I'm expecting next week. Price to then complete the wave C. Then after wave C, we will go to the downside. Oh, this is what I'm expecting on US oil. Then gold. Gold, this is what I'm expecting on gold, we might see this on gold next week. If the structure is intact, another break to the upside to 2,000. Yes, to 2,000. Next week, we might see gold moving to the upside. And you see 1, 2, 3. This is it. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, then 5. This is 1. This is 2. And the 2 like a running flat. So this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. So this is what I'm expecting next week on gold. This is what I'm expecting next week on gold. Then, if you look at the last but not the least, which is USD, we've been on this, I gave this analysis since last year. Let me look at the daily time frame. Oh, the analysis have already deleted. Good. Okay, this was it. With 1, with 1, with 2, with 3, with 4, then we are going for with 5. So all rejected at 0.61A, which is correct. Then we have our Fibonacci extension. Our Fibonacci extension from here to here. Then we have our wave 5. Our wave 5 will be, target of our wave 5 will be here. So price is still going down. Price is going down to this target. So this is what I'm expecting. This is what I'm expecting on SM USD MXN. So thank you very much, and I really appreciate for joining the Zoom call. Thank you.